how to integrate Notion with GitHub. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Notion with GitHub to better manage your code, tasks, and documentation all in one place. Whether you're a developer or a project manager, this is a great way to streamline your workflow. So let's get started. First, head over to www.notion.so and log into your account. Once you're in, go to your dashboard and find an empty block on the page where you want to connect GitHub. Type GitHub and select GitHub from the drop-down menu. Now click the link to GitHub button. This will take you to a secure GitHub login page where Notion will request permission to access your repositories. After authorizing, choose the Notion database you want to connect your GitHub issues to. This could be a task board, a table, or a custom layout you use for tracking development. And that's it. Your GitHub account is now linked to Notion, letting you manage issues, updates, and project documentation all from one workspace. That's all for the video.